We're in Atlantic Beach today. We are putting in a privacy hedge with all the typical problems that go along with putting in large plants. There's a lot of unforeseen underground surprises left for us. We have a bunch of concrete. We have irrigation in the way, like always. Large irrigation that's hard to move. Doing good though, we're working around it. You know, it's a good thing they called us because we're taking the concrete out that we could just leave in the ground and no one would see. You know, we're working around the pipes, moving what we have to, extending heads here and there. So it's a lot more than just putting bushes in the ground, generally. You could get away with not doing all those things, but we're gonna do it all. Well, as promised, right? Instant privacy, much better than jasmine, much bigger than jasmine, much better texture than jasmine in my opinion. Looks kind of tropical, looks cool out here at the beach. Alabuki viburnums, definitely worth the size choice. It is a bit pricey, but look at this instant result. I mean, you can't argue with it. There's nothing like it. It looks like they've been here for 5 years. See, we paid a little extra attention to detail. We touch up your existing bed if we encounter it. You know, we don't want to make anything look too out of place, so we blend that in. Anywhere the sod's struggling, we kind of incorporate it into a bed. We don't want to have to live with that. We'd rather just live with it in a way that we work with it. We make your yard work a little better for you while we're here. Give us a call. Let us do some landscape jobs for you. Let us do some maintenance for you. Our maintenance crews are awesome too. We have it all.